How to fix Cash App error 503. So first you need to know that it might not be an issue on your part, but instead the Cash App servers might be down. So go to this website that you see right here. This is the official website for Cash App, and just scroll and see if everything is working properly. It will give you any information that you may require, whether the app is down, whether certain services are down, so on and so forth. Here you can see all of the reports for different incidents that have happened throughout the past week. Now, if everything is green like you're seeing right now and it says that there are no issues, then here's what you can do as well. So you want to find your Cash App app. So basically, let's pretend like Sweatcoin is the Cash App app. Click on it and hold, and we want to go to app info. Then from here, all we gotta do is click on clear data, and we gotta clear the cache. So after you clearing the cache, then if it still doesn't work, there's one more thing you can try and do. Basically just uninstall the application, reinstall it from the App Store or the Google Play Store, and hopefully this fixes it for you. So those are some things you can try if the Cash App application doesn't work for you. Hope this was informative, hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.